Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have, it's mainly Amazon, and I do got one thing from Walmart that I want to go ahead and share with you, but let's go ahead and get into these little goodies. Okay, the first thing I wanted to share are these eye screws, and I ordered, I believe they get, I don't know, they say how many. Oh, 500 pieces. So I did get these in the silver and in the gold. Look at that. How nice are these? I needed more for my stash. I got that one. I also ordered some clear bags. I bought my Creative Time die that takes this size of a bag, so I went ahead and bought some more. So if I put them in swaps, I could have a little topper on that. So I got some bags, and I believe you get 300. It doesn't say, but I thought it was 100, maybe 100 of those. And then the next thing I wanted to try out, actually, because when I do stamping, I do not only inking, but I like using watercolor markers. I wanted to try the watercolor paint set, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Let me open this real quick. Yeah, I wanted to see how this one looks, and actually it wasn't that expensive, but yeah, look at it. It's like a shimmer looking paint set. So I wanted to use this and see how this looks on stamping. So I got those. And then the next thing I bought are these are some cute paper clips. These are actually real nice. Let me show you these. And I like these because they do come in individual tin. But I got these so I could do little embellishments. So this one is the 4 colors. You get the light pink, the mint, the blue, and the lavender. This is all like the little minty pastel colors, I mean. So I got that one. And I love that it came in this tin because you can always alter that. Love it. So I got that one. That's the one that was multicolor. And I also got it in green because I'm thinking about Halloween. So I got that one. And I like that it comes in its own box and tin. You can always alter the tin and the box and send it into swaps or Happy Mail. And then of course, the last color I got is the pink. Now this shop does have other colors. Actually, let me take one out. It does have other colors, but these are the ones I wanted. I'm ordering the others later, but yeah. So I got those. These are actually pretty nice to have in your crafty stash. You can easily do embellishments on there. So I got those 3 colors. Now another thing I hauled from Amazon is this paper collection. Now this is just a cardstock, and it is 24 patterns. So you get 24 sheets. It's 160 GMS. It's called Pink Halloween. Look at the beauty in that. Let's check this one out. Now this one did say it had one online, which is the one I got. Now I will, if the link is still available, I will link it below. But look at this. Look at this prettiness. Look at that. You can even use that. Oh wow, look at that. How pretty is that? So you get 2 of each. Oh, you get the pink and black polka dot. Love it. Look at this side. Love, love, love. I like the leisure paper. And look at that, the skulls. I know this is not everybody's type of paper, but I love this paper. It's a little hint of gothic with a little bit of cute. Look at that. How pretty is that? Oh wow. The more like writing paper and some lace. So pretty. Love it. This is almost like a Halloween chic kind of. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. I like this one. Love it. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. We got spiders. I like spiders on paper, but not next to me. I am scared. But look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Real nice. I love it. I was debating whether I should buy it or not, but I am happy I did. And you got more bats there in pink. And then you got this one, pink and black. Love it. And I love how it's kind of grungy. Oh wow, this is pretty. Pretty. And then you got some ghosties in the back. The black ghosties with pink. And then over here you got the white ghosties on black. Love, love, love. Oh, then look at that. The pink spiders. Love it. What's on the other side? And the other side is the skulls. Love it. I do love. This is actually a nice paper kit. So yeah, I will link it below if it's available. Like I said, it was showing one when I bought it. So I'll put in a link in the description if it's available. If not, I'll put it on the website where I got it from. So yeah, I'm impressed with that paper. That's a real nice paper. Real nice. Love it. And the last thing I hauled was from Walmart, and I did Leanna from Let's Make a Deal. She hauled this. Now I've hauled the primary colored before, and I really do like it. So I went ahead and hauled this one after seeing her site. And yeah, this is new to me, so this is a newer one. So there's pastel colors, and they're glitter paper, and you get 10 pack. Okay, let's look at this one. Now these are real pretty papers. Oops, sorry about that. Look at that. You get the mint. You do get the purple. Look at that. And the glitter does not come off in your hands. Look at that. How pretty is that? Look at pink. Look at that. How pretty. They almost look like a shimmer. The actual, the pastels look even better than the primary ones did. But yeah, love, love, love. You want to add a little shine to your crafting stuff? This is a nice paper pad to get. Real nice. I love that. And these weren't expensive. I think these were like $5, give or take. But yeah, I will link below the stuff that's available. Leave in the comments what is your favorite. I love the Halloween paper, and actually both papers. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite. Do subscribe if you haven't. I sure love to have you. Make sure you hit the like if you like this video and want to see more like this. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.